This is moz.com/research-tools/OSE. OSE stands for Open Site Explorer. And we talked about, in the last section, internal links and how the top 30 websites in the Google search results typically have about 130 other pages on that same website pointing at the one that's high in the results. So if you put in a URL, and let's just do SEO.com as an example here, you click search, and its default is to show you the inbound links. Now this includes other websites linking to this page as well as other pages on your website. But if you click on compare link metrics, you can see the number of internal links right there. Now this site has 61 links pointing at the home page, and we said 130 was about average for the top 30 results, so this person might want to add a few more links to the home page. Now if you want to see what those 61 pages are, meaning which pages on your site are linking to SEO.com or whatever the pages that you put in the URL section up there, you click on only internal and then click filter. And if you scroll down, you'll see that all of these pages are from SEO.com, and they're just different articles that have created links to SEO.com somewhere within the body or somewhere within the page. So that's an easy way to check out how many internal links you have to certain pages on your site. Now, external links are also important. As you'll see here in the chart, number of external links has a positive correlation with your ranking in the search results according to the search metrics study. And you can see the number of external links from any page on your site by going to tools.seochat.com, and you go down to the internal external link analyzer and you click on that, and then you're going to enter the CAPTCHA. And then you put in the URL, so we could do SEO.com. And then click on external. And you can either choose to show no follow or follow links. So here you see you have 10 external links. And external links, as I mentioned, are good because you're providing the reader more resources, and Google rewards people for doing that, for giving people better information, more information, and not being afraid to send people to other sites to find that information. Google's really just about helping people get what they want. So if you're helping them to do that, they're going to reward you for it.